Ever wondered why AirPods aren't meant to last forever? Let's crack them open, carefully, and see if battery swapping is worth the risk. First off, this is not for the faint of heart, or the butterfingered. You'll need a heat gun, tweezers, a razor blade or spudger, a soldering iron, solder wick, and of course a replacement battery. Start by heating the AirPod to soften the glue. Gently pry it open. Watch out for that tiny flex cable inside. Shield it with aluminum foil like it's the crown jewels because damaging it means game over. Heat the battery area again, then gently coax it out with your tweezers. Now solder in the new battery. Steady hands, please. Reassemble everything and test before sealing it up. Caveat: it's easy to wreck flex cables or speakers. Apple doesn't support this repair, and you'll likely void your warranty. Honestly, unless you love living on the edge, consider a pro. AirPods weren't built for eternal life, but hey, sometimes tech DIY is about the